Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix OBS64.EXE application error. The application was unable to start correctly. Copy link from description and paste it. Download both x86 and x64 version. Install one by one. Check I agree to the license terms and conditions. Check I agree to the license terms and conditions. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.